Good morning, students. As you can see, I am today with the examples of this division. Okay, as you can see, in division, what happens? Last time I had shown you what division means and how division change into sign of multiplication, how numerator changes into denominator. Same thing today in the form of example I will be explaining, and then we will move further towards the exercise and also on the property of division. So if you will see the first question over here of page number 18 is divide. Simply you have to divide it. It is given 19 by 16 by 5 by 8. That means 19 by 16 is divided by 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is what? Divisor, and 19 by 16 is what? Dividend. So here you can see 19 by 16 divided by 5 by 8, and when divide change into multiply, what happens? Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So numerators are multiplied and denominators are multiplied. Even you can cancel the numbers here itself. 8 1 is 8 and 8 2 is 16. Or while multiplying, after multiplication also you can cancel. As you can see, 9 8 is 72 and 16 5 is 80. It has been written, and then it has been reduced by 8. 8 9 is 72 and 8 10 is 80. So it becomes 9 by 10. In same way, when you will see question number 2, here it is minus 6 by 25 by 3 by 5. That means minus 6 by 25 should be divided by 3 by 5. If you will see minus 6 by 25 into 5 by 3, it is written. This when divide changes into multiply, denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So 6 into minus 6 into 5, it becomes minus 30, and 25 into 3, it becomes 75. So it becomes minus 30 by 75. Even you can reduce here itself. 5 5 is 25, you can do, and it will become 15 below, and at the top minus 6. So again minus 6, like this, it can be reduced. It will become 3 2 is 6, so minus 2 by 3 1 is 3. So at top it will become minus 2 by 5. Or as you can see, after multiplication also it can be reduced. You can reduce by a small prime number also, or directly the highest common factor of these two, that is how much? 15. Here you can see with 15 it has been reduced directly. You can even reduce directly, or you can reduce it with small numbers. Okay, so it becomes, as with 15, 15 2 is 30 and 15 5 is 75. So minus 2 by minus 5. It is not that directly you can reduce it by 15 only. You can even reduce it once by 3, then after by 5. That also you can do it. Now if you see question number 3, it is 11 by 24 divided by minus 5 by 8. When this divide changes into multiply, what happens? This denominator 8 becomes numerator, and this numerator minus 5 becomes denominator. Now both are numerators are multiplied, and denominators are multiplied. So it becomes 11 into 8, that is 88, and 24 into minus 5, that becomes minus 120. You can see here also it can be reduced. 8 3 is 24, and even after multiplying also it has been reduced. How it has been reduced? Of course, with 8 only it has been reduced. You can see 8 into 11 is 88, and 15 into 8 is 120. Only the minus what was over here, I had said you earlier also many times, minus is not there in denominator in a standard form of fraction. So while writing answer, don't leave negative sign in denominator. If there is only one sign, and that also in denominator negative sign, then it will be written in numerator. In standard form, the negative sign is always kept in numerator. That you have to keep it in mind. Okay. If you will see question example number 2, what is there? The product of two numbers is minus 28 by 27. If one of the number is minus 4 by 9, find the other. One number is how much? Minus 4 by 9, and you have to find other. Let the other number be x. What is the other number? Other number can be assumed as x. Okay. So x into minus 4 by 9 is equal to minus 28 by 27. Okay. So what happens? This minus 4 by 9, it is in multiply, and when goes in another side, it change into divide. Again I want to remind you, a student, in equation, when we take any one expression, any one number, or any one fraction from one side of is equal to another side of is equal to, then in that case the sign becomes opposite. When it is in multiply, it changes into divide, and when it is in divide, it changes into multiply. When it is in add, it changes into subtract, and when it is in subtract, it changes into add. When we take any number from one side to another side. And generally what we do when we are solving the equation in variable, and when we have to find the value of variable, we try to take all the other expression which is in one side of is equal to where there is variable. We bring all the variable in one side. If it is same, we just add, subtract, multiply or divide to the variables, and all the constants another side to know the value of constant. So if you will see here, x is independent, only there was x into minus 4 by 9. So what happened? We had taken this minus 4 by 9 to next side. Then it has been changed into divide. Why we had taken? Because we need x value. So we have to keep x independently in one side. So when it comes this side, it changes into divide. And now in division process, we know when we change divide into multiply, this denominator 9 changes to numerator, and numerator minus 4 changes to denominator. Student, you have to also keep in mind that the fraction which is just behind the sign of division, that fraction's numerator and denominator changes, not in front of divide sign fraction. This fraction will not be changes, this will not go up and this will not come down. That you have to keep it in mind. Some students does mistakes in such a way. So if you will be keeping this in mind, only those fractions which is just behind the sign of division, that numerator and denominator changes. When divide, we change it into multiply. So now here also directly you can convert it like this: 9 3 is 27, and minus minus will be cancelled, and 4 7 is 28. So it will become 7 by 3, as it has been done over here. You can see it has been multiplied numerator at first, and denominator at first. Then after, in both the cases, minus has taken common and minus has been cancelled, and then written. This is the sign of tends to. That means this term tends to, that x is equal to 28 into 9 by 27 into 4. Now it has been reduced. 9 3 is 27 and 4 7 is 28. So it leaves 7 by 3. Hence other number is 7 by 3. This is one way. And as you can see in previous chapter also, I had said in addition and subtraction, what I had said, if there the total number is given, that means sum is given or total is given, and one number is given, if two sum or total is given, from out of that two any one is given, then what we do to find the other? We used to just subtract. We used to write other number is equal to total minus given number. That was in the case of add and subtract. But in the case of division, what happens? When the product is given, here product works as a total. When product is given, of two numbers product is given and one number is given, then simply we can write other number is equal to product by given number. Product divided by given number. So you can make it in another method also. Here you can write, here other number is equal to product divided by given number. Product, in place of product you will be writing minus 28 by 27 divided by minus 4 by 9, and then after you will change it into multiply, it will become other number is equal to minus 28 by 27 into 9 by 4, and you will solve and you will get the same number. The question which I had solved, I had just solved in the same way, you can see. So any one method you can make, as I had solved in exercise, that you can make, or even you can solve in example method. Both are, in both the cases you will be getting same answer, and both are right. So don't get confused that no, I had made in different way, in example there is different way, which way we have to make. which way you find convenient in understanding, which way you think I will never forget, that way you make. Okay. Now if you will see example 3, there is fill in the blanks. What is the fill in the blanks? 27 by 16 plus, sorry, not plus, it is divide. 27 by 16 divided by what number? There is blank is given, gives minus 15 by 8. If you will see, this has been also made by assumption. Here it has been assumed that blank number by a by b. Let 27 by 16 divided by a by b is equal to minus 15 by 8. Then when this divide changes into multiply, it will become b and a. Denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So b by a, 27 by 16 into b by a is equal to minus 15 by 8. And now when this 27 by 16 is in multiply, when it will go in another side, it will divide. So here you can see, instead of writing divide directly, it has been changed into multiply. But what you will see, here the numerator changes into denominator and denominator changes into numerator. 27 is numerator, it came as denominator, and denominator 16 is over there. In another side, when it gone, it changes into numerator. So directly you can, when you will take the any fraction in multiplication in another side, what happens? You can write its denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. Even in multiply, if they are, then it will be in multiply only. If it is in divide, then it will be in divide only. When we will change numerator and denominator. I hope all of you are understanding it. Now what it has been done? It has been reduced. Here 3 5s are 15. So at the top it became minus 5, and below 3 9s are 27. So here came 9. And if you will see, 8 2s are 16. So at the top 2. So minus 5 into minus 2, it became minus 10 by 9. If you will see here, so same thing, it has been written over here. B by A is minus 10 by 9. So A by B becomes what? 9 by minus 10. And we know in a standard form, negative is not written in denominator. Negative sign is not there in denominator. So it gone in numerator place. So A by B becomes minus 9 by 10. Hence the missing number is minus 9 by 10. Properties of division. Property 1, closure property. I had, if you are remembering, I had last time also explained closure property over addition and subtraction. There I had said that a rational number, when two rational numbers are added or subtracted, the result is also rational number only. In same way here also there is, when two rational numbers, okay, are divided, the result is rational number only. But there is one exception. What exception? This divisor should not be 0. If divisor will be 0, as we know, when we divide any number like 1, 2 or even 0 with 0, then that is not defined. So you should understand it. So what? C by D should not be equal to 0. If C by D is 0, then that will not be the divisor. If divisor is 0, then that will not be rational number. Okay. And another property is it is property of 1. That is, when we divide any rational number with 1, the result is the rational number which has been divided itself. A by B, when divided by 1, it will be A by B only. And the third property is, when we divide the same rational number with the same rational number, like A by B is divided by A by B only, then it will become 1. So these are all the examples and properties of fraction for the division. Now we will move towards exercise. You can see this is exercise 1E. The first question is simply simplify. You have to simplify it, and here also I had sent two questions solution in PDF, and I will be explaining those all two questions. And last exercise also, if you remember, I had sent only two questions. Why I had left other? Because if there will be doubt, earlier there was no way of asking you that are you understanding or not, is there any doubt to you or not, but now the technology, the administration, school management has provided us technology and idea, so that by sitting at your home only, and from our home itself we can know either you are understanding or not, if there is doubt or not. If there is doubt, from home only we will be clearing up your doubt through Zoom app. And you might have taken 2 3 classes. Yes, 3 classes you might have taken till now, and many classes every day you are taking. 3 classes might be taking in each class. 3 classes are going every day. Yesterday and today also it gone. So now I'll be solving only two questions, and the doubt I'll be collecting through you through the Zoom application. And wherever you will be saying doubt, I will be writing that in my diary, and in next PDF I will be sending you your doubt if it is not solved. If it is solved, then I will just forward you the same PDF and video again, so that you can understand it. So let's see here, exercise 1. What are the question over here, same I had written in my solution also, which I had sent you. You can see just below, these are the exercise and examples of the next exercise. Okay, so now you can see 1E text, which I had explained, that is over here. And first question, 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 12. What happens when we will change divide into multiply? 12 will become, 12 is in denominator, when it will go up it will become numerator, and minus 5 is in numerator, when it will come, this divide will change into multiply, then it will come down and it will become minus 5. So you can see in the mid term only I am reducing. In example it was not done, it was done by multiplying at first up and down and down, then it has been reduced. Even you can reduce it in mid term also, like this, which I am doing, or you can do like example also, no problem. So you can see 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. So 4 4 are 16 at the top, and below what, 3 5 are 15, minus sign is there, so minus 15. As you can know, in a standard form minus is not written in denominator, so I written minus 16 by 15. And of course it is not bigger, minus 16 is not bigger, but also when you will reduce this minus 16, if you will not watch this, then we can change it into mixed fraction, like taking by minus common, minus 1 by 15. Okay, 15 1 15 and 1 remainder, so minus 1 by 15 also you can write it. Okay, so you can change it into mixed fraction. So now if you will see the last question, that was question number 6. Here it is minus 65 by 14. I had written question also, so I no need to go on the question, same number question it is last. That is minus 65 by 14 divided by 13 by 7. When we change this into multiply, 7 goes up and 13 comes down, as you can see over here. Then I had reduced it, 13 5 is 65, minus sign is already there, minus 5 into 7 I had done minus 35, and 14 is there. Again it can be reduced. Here I had left, so at last I had reduced. You can see answer should be in simplest form. Okay, so you can see I had done, then I had divided it and changed it into mixed fraction. Minus I had taken common, so 14 to the 28 and 7 35 it becomes, so 2 7 by 14 it becomes. And then after we had reduced 7 and 14, 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14, so minus 2 1 by 2 it becomes. Okay, so if you will go in question number 2, okay, question number 2 is verification. By watching here itself you can know I had solved LHS and RHS and it came same, so it is verification. You can see at the top also it has been written verify in question. Okay, here is question number 2. Verify whether the given statement is true or false. The C student, if you will see, this is commutative law, but I want to assure you that commutative law always do not exist in division. So we had not read about commutative law or associative law in division. Yes, it can come same, but it is not sure. It is not sure that always it will be coming same. So if you will see, I had done example, sorry, question I had solved, and in first there I had got, okay, might be next also I had got, but it is not that always it will be. Yes, here also 9 by 14, and here also, okay, 14. Oh, here I had not got, sorry. If you will see here, it has been not got, and I had written LHS is equal to RHS. It is wrong. You will write LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay. uh, I am repeating again. You will write LHS is not equal to RHS, because there the both are not same. Here it is 14 by 9 and here it is 9 by 14. Sometimes it happens when you are making, sometimes it happens. So you have to make the accuracy in these places only. Okay students, so here it will become LHS is not equal to RHS. You can see even in book there comes answers mistakes, so it happens, that is the human error. But while explaining, I am just correcting those mistakes, so you should understand it. In first question of 2a, you can watch it over here, that is 13 divided by 5, 13 by 5 divided by 26 by 10. What happens? Simply you can see 13 by 5 divided by 26 by 10. When divide changes into multiply, the denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So 5 to the 10 and 13 to the 26. So 2 and 2 got cancelled, and here it is 1 at the top and 1 at the below. So you can see at last I had written 1. In same way in RHS also I had written 26 by 10 divided by 13 by 5. Students, in this case 1 1 it has been matched, because what, both the cases are identical. You can see just inverse of each other. If you will multiply this with 2, okay, then it will become 26 by 10 itself. Okay, here also when we will multiply it by 2 up and down, then it will become 26 by 10. So it came 1 over here, but I am saying it will not be always equal. That's why in 4 we didn't got equal. By mistake I had written over here unequal. If you will see 26 by 10 divided by 13 by 5. When divide changes into multiply, 5 goes up and 13 comes down. So 5 to the 10 and 13 to the 6. So 2 got cancelled and 1 is there. In this case LHS is equal to RHS. This has been verified. But commutative law does not exist always in division, that you think only where there is identical numbers, there only it exists. That you have to keep it in your mind. Now if you will see fourth number, okay, LHS statement I had written over here, you can see in your book while listening this. This is what, minus 7 by 24 divided by 13 by 26. Here the fractions are not identical or not equivalent. So if you will see, I had divided over here. When what happens when I had changed it into multiply, this minus 16 goes up and this 3 comes down. Okay, both the places minus minus were there, so it has been reduced, and you can see 8 3 is 24 and 8 2 is 16. 2 is there and here it is 3. So 7 2 is 14 and 3 3 is 9 below. Okay, so 14 by 9. This 3 is a next term of RHS, so don't watch this 3. Okay, these 2 3 it has been multiplied. So it becomes 14 by 9. I had changed it into mixed fraction 1 5 by 9. And when we solve RHS, 3 by minus 16 divided by minus 7 by 24. Then 3 by minus 16 into, when divide is changed into, then 24 goes up and 7 comes down. Okay, so 8 3 is 24 and 8 2 is 16. Okay, so 3 3 is 9 by 14. Now these two are not same. This is 14 by 9 and this is 9 by 14. So it is reciprocal of one another. And of course student, this you will be getting everywhere. In division what will happen? You will be getting reciprocal of each other. Here if you will see, one reciprocal is 1 only. So there in both the case it comes 1. When the terms are equivalent, then in that case it will be coming LHS is equal to RHS. But what if when the terms are not equivalent, then the division result will be reciprocal of each other. Okay, commutative law exists for reciprocal of each other over here, not directly equal. So here I have written LHS is equal to RHS verified. Okay, but it is not the right. Here what you will be writing? You will be writing LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, you can write not verified. Okay, or even you will write LHS is not equal to RHS verified. That means they are not equal. Now if you will see question number 3, in 3 also there is verification itself. Okay, as you can see in 3 LHS and RHS I had made. Okay, I had not written over here the final step. Sorry for that. You can just write it by yourself. In one I had written verified and in one I had written not verified. Let's see what are the questions. Either they are identical or different. If you will see here, all are identical, I think. 3 by 5, okay, I will see. Okay, and 12 by 35, no, it is not identical. Let's see. At first, let's see question number 3 1. This is for the 3 terms. Okay, earlier it was of 2 terms. I had already certified that commutative law does not exist in division. So in book also in properties it has not been said about commutative laws, and now it is about associative laws of division, that also does not exist. If you will see this first question only, then it will be clear to you. You will see here, just see 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. At first I had done bracket work. I had changed this divide into multiply. This denominator 3 goes as numerator, and this numerator 1 comes as denominator. 3 3 is 9, and we had written, okay, and we had reduced this 3 and 9. So 5 by 3 it becomes into 2 by 5. So 5 by 3 into 2 by 5 we are done. 5 5 got cancelled, it came 2 by 3. Now if you will see RHS, it is what? 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. At first we had divided this bracket 1, so it becomes 1 by 3 into 2 by 5. What happens? It became 2 into 1 2, and 3 into 5 15. Now when we change it into multiply, 15 goes up and 2 comes down. What happened? 5 3 is 15, 3 3 is 9, so it becomes 25 by 6, that is 4 1 by 6. Here also I had not written. You will write here also what? Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Relation didn't verified. Or you can write relation does not exist. Or even you can write not proved. Okay. Now this is the third number question. This is also of 3 terms only, and here you can see it is coming same. I am saying in few cases you will be getting the result, but it is not that for all it is. It exists. So it is not in property. If it comes, if it exists in all, then it comes in properties. Okay. So you can see 3 number. It is minus 3 by 5 divided by minus 12 by 35 divided by 1 by 14. If you will see, at first I had done the bracket work, that is minus 3 by 5 into 35 by minus 12 into 1 by 14. Okay. Okay, I had done over here into 1 by 14. That is wrong, sorry. When it will be changed into multiply, this will go up and up will come down. So here it has gone came right answer by might be by mistake. Okay, so you can watch it. So while you will be making, what you will be doing, you will be keeping this 14 up, because when divide is changed into multiply, sometimes such mistakes happens. When divide changes into multiply, then denominator goes in numerator and numerator comes in denominator. So what happened? 5 7 is 35, 3 4 is 12, minus minus got cancelled, so it becomes 7 by 4. 7 by 4 into 14 by 1 it will become. It's my mistake. Okay, so this 14 will go up and 1 will come down, and in that case what will happen? It will become 14 7 is 91, 98, sorry, 98 by 4 it will become, or when you will reduce, then it will become 49 by 2. When you will reduce 98 and 4 by 2 up and down, then it will become how much? 49 by 2. And in RHS, 3 by 5 divided by minus 12 by 35 divided by minus 1 by 14. Okay. So what will happen when divide is changed into multiply? This 14 goes up and 1 comes down, and this has been reduced. You can see 14, this with 7 7 2 is 14 and 7 5 is 35. So 2 by 5, and there is minus 12, so minus 24 by 5 it comes, and when it change into multiply, it will become 5 by 24. So now minus minus got cancelled, 3 8 is 24 and 5 5 got cancelled. So here it is right 1 by 8, but here what I had said 49 by 2 it should come. Okay, this is also the mistake. Okay, that's why I am saying always Might come their mistake, human error might come. We are in hurry students, we have to make everyday video and PDF for you. So even we think there is no need of matching the answer for us, and that is also I'm giving some work, leaving some work on you so that you can match the answer. And of course when explaining, always while explaining, we are getting the difficulties and there we are correcting where we had made mistakes. So here it will be what, LHS is not equal to RHS. What you will write, LHS is not equal to RHS. How to write is not equal to? Simply there is equal to, just cross over here, put a line straight over here, that becomes is not equal to. So further more question I'll be explaining about this also. I had already explained you in next video, and I'll try to, okay, correct it and put it again this PDF in for you. If I'll not be able to correct it, that means if I'll forget it, you correct it by yourself. When you are watching this video, at that time only you correct it yourself. If you had written it, then there you correct it yourself. Okay, till then, thank you, take care, be obedient, and of course we will be meeting tomorrow on Monday. So whatever the doubt will be there, collect the doubt, keep it over there. First few minutes I will be doing revision work. I will be asking few questions for knowing that you are reading the work at your home, given work at home or not, and are you understanding or not. Of course I will not be able to take your written test, so oral test I will be asking few things, and then after I will be going further with to your doubts, and after doubt I will be going further towards the exercise. So thank you, obey your parents and make yourself better and stronger than earlier. Utilize the time which you had got luckily during this lockdown, and make yourself strong. Thank you, take care, see you again.